Hello Professor, this is Tanvi Arora. Today I'm gonna be getting started with my module 1 assignment of JavaScript. So first we are getting onto the HTML file, that is the skeleton of our assignment, and here I have stated a title having named as Lava Java, as we are supposed to have a coffee shop. So I have mentioned it as Lava Java, wherein Java can be referred as coffee, which is followed by a header, a few paragraphs, and div, and of course the footer at its end. Now getting on to our JavaScript file, which is the basic component. Here we have we are supposed to create two orders for our coffee. Now first, as we are supposed to use the object literal in this assignment, what we need to know is what an object actually is. So JavaScript objects are containers for named values called properties or methods, wherein we will be using the properties and providing them with some values. So first we are going to initialize or declare a variable const and having their name as cafe1. We are supposed to I have just referred a random person, provided the particular fields with some values, and main we are supposed to display these 4 categories in our alert box without their values but their names. So in here, if for instance a customer says that he wants no whipped cream or he wants drizzle on his coffee, then we are supposed to listen to the customer, and if he says yes, we are supposed to display the particular property, and if no, then we are not supposed to display it. So in order to do that, I have used the if else statement, wherein if the drizzle or the particular item says yes, then I have to display that item, and if it says no, it would not display anything. Using the same if else statement in all the 4 categories or the properties, followed by an alert and a function wherein the customer would be providing a tip if he gets his order in less than 5 minutes, which is followed by our second order for our friend. So I have changed the property name as friend using the same method and providing with some different values. I have used this if else statement again in the function to display if my friend wants a few things on his coffee or not, and ending with the function again where my friend would provide a tip and with the alert box. Now we are going to display this. So this is my page wherein I have the footer, and let's try to inspect. Going in the console, we are gonna run both our orders. Order 1, and we get our alert box wherein he is willing to have this coffee. No. Number 2, and it displays it again. Now we want to display the console. So we had named our function as timer, so we will use dot timer, and Richmond will provide now the second order, and there you go, our friend is ready to provide a tip. So that's all for today. This was our page which deflects a coffee, and thank you.